Hey everyone, welcome to another face painting tutorial. Today we are face painting this beautiful, easy, less than a minute mermaid face paint. It's a mermaid eye mask, which is really effective and really quick to execute in under a minute. So I'm using Sea Creatures Split Cake by Fusion and also Snow Queen by Fusion. For the outline and the detail, I'm using Fusion Paraffin Pro White. And all we need is 4 brushes. So I'm just using a liner brush, a number 4 round brush, and 2 3/4 inch flat angled brush. I'll link the products in the description if you want to give this one a go with these particular colors and brushes. With our 3/4 inch flat angled brush, we're gonna pick up some of this Sea Creatures Split Cake by Fusion. And this mermaid is super easy and simple. All it is just combined sequences of brush strokes with this one stroke. And all together it makes a beautiful, beautiful mermaid. Right at the middle of the face, right here, we're gonna bring the brush flat into the middle and we're gonna bring it up, around, and up again. So once we've got that, we're going to do our series of 2 dips. So flat, 2 U's coming up. The last one is going to go on a bit of an angle. On the other side, we start down the bottom, right down the tip at the bottom, and we're going to bring it up and around and to the side. Okay, I've just loaded that brush up again, show you again. So tip of the blue is right down the bottom and we're going to bring it up and around. And then from here we'll do our 2 U's. So U number 1 and step up, U number 2. And then from here we bring it around, curve it around, leading with that heel, bringing the heel off and coming down onto where that center point is. Again on the other side, the tip's going to be on an angle pointing to the middle of the top of the head, and we're going to do exactly the same. So bringing it out, twisting it out a little, leading with that heel, twist, twist, twist. Now bring the heel off and then coming round to the center again. With that heel of the brush, with the darker blue, we're just going to fill in the areas that didn't get filled in. Now I'm just going to bring this over a little, so I'm just going to bring it around and cover more of that inner section of where the bridge of the nose is. And now with our other 3/4 inch flat angled brush, I've loaded up this brush with Snow Queen. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to bring the brush in. So we're going to angle it a little. We're going to lead with that tip of the brush. I'm going to lead with the tip of the brush, come up and bring it into a peak, and then coming down off that peak and then bringing it into like a curve. And then with the heel of the brush, we're going to fill in that lighter blue that we've got there. All right, now I'm loading up a number 4 round brush with some nice Paraffin Pro White by Fusion. This is a real good, great white for lining. Now from here, I just want to add the little details. So I'm going to bring a curl around and in, and then meet right there at the point, curl around and in. So we're going to go thick to thin to thick when we're doing our strokes. So bring the pressure down and then lifting the brush off as we come in, around and in, and then down and up. I'm just going to do a little swirly bit here and then meet right in the middle as we're lifting the brush off. And again, that swirl is going to come next to it, going thin to thick and then to thin again as we lift off. And again on the other side, I'm just going to curl it in, out and in. And then from out, we're going to go thin to thick, and then back to thin again. We're going to go thick to thin, and then another one coming up, thick to thin. Doing a curl in, thin to thin, and then one hugging that one just down the bottom right there, thin to thick. A teardrop going from thin to thick in, and another one from thin to thick inward. We're going to do another teardrop. Push it right down to make it thick to thin, and then I'm going to do 2 more teardrops, which are meant to appear like splashes. Now I'm heavily loading the brush so I can do some nice dots following these. So really load up that brush and go thick, a little bit thinner, barely touching at all. So really press down for a thicker dot. Medium tension, medium pressure, a little bit lighter, and hardly any pressure at all. Beautiful. Now with this one, you are completely done. It is such a quick face paint of a mermaid tail mask. Very highly efficient. What you can do, you can outline it here, but really it is wonderful the way it is. You can put some glitter on it, and it will really make it stand out. But what I'm going to do is do some lovely outline. I'm just going to outline the whole thing. And from here, we're going to outline those beautiful fins. And on the other side, right down to the middle. And now just doing some lovely highlights on the tail. So coming in, down and around. Again, down and around. Down and around. And there you have your gorgeous, really easy, quick, simple mermaid tail for you to practice.